Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see what is meant by stress and types of stress, strain and its types, elastic limit and Hooke's law. Let us see the definition of stress. So, the restoring force acting per unit area inside the body is called as stress. So, it can be determined from the formula stress is equal to deforming force per unit area. It can be written as F by A, where F is the deforming force applied to the material and A is the area of cross section of the material. The unit for stress is Newton per meter square. So now let us see the types of stress. There are three different types of stress. Linear stress, which will change the length of the material. Shearing stress, which will change the shape of the material. And volume stress, which will change the volume of the material. Next one is strain. So strain can be defined as the change in dimension or shape of a body due to the deforming force. So it can be said that if you are applying some force to the body, that will change the dimension, and this change in dimension is called as strain. The formula to find strain is equal to change in dimension divided by original dimension. The strain has no unit. There are different types of strain. Particularly there are three types of strain. So let us see one by one. First one is linear strain. If the strain is produced along the length, then it is called as linear strain. If there is change in area due to the applied force, then it is called as shearing strain. And if there is change in entire volume of the material due to the applied stress, then it is called as volume or bulk strain. Next, let us see what is elastic limit. The maximum stress up to which a body exhibits the property of elasticity is called elastic limit or limit of elasticity. ஒரு மெட்டீரியல்னால எந்த அளவுக்கு மேக்ஸிமம் ஸ்ட்ரெஸ்ஸை தாங்க முடியுதோ அதுதான் அதனோட எலாஸ்டிக் லிமிட். அந்த லிமிட்டுக்குள்ளதான் அது எலாஸ்டிக் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி எக்ஸிபிட் பண்ணும். அந்த லிமிட்டை தாண்டி நம்ம ப்ரெஷர் கொடுத்தோம் அல்லது ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் கொடுக்குறோம் அப்படின்னாக்கா தட் வில் பிகம் பிளாஸ்டிக் மெட்டீரியல். ஸோ எலாஸ்டிக் லிமிட்டுக்குள்ளதான் எந்த ஒரு மெட்டீரியலுமே எலாஸ்டிக் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டியோட இருக்கும். எலாஸ்டிக் லிமிட்டை தாண்டி நம்ம ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் கொடுத்தோம்னா தட் வில் கன்வெர்ட் இன்டு பிளாஸ்டிக் மெட்டீரியல். Now let us see what is meant by Hooke's law, because this is a very important concept in elasticity. Hooke's law states that within the elastic limit, stress in a body is directly proportional to strain produced in the body. It can be written as stress is directly proportional to strain. It means that how much of stress we are applied to the body, that much of strain will be produced in the body. I can write it as stress is equal to a constant into strain, because I have removed the proportionality sign and introduced a constant. In the next step, I have written as stress by strain is equal to a constant. That constant is taken as capital E, where E is a constant called constant of proportionality, and it is otherwise called as modulus of elasticity.